We're a pure air defence squadron. As part of Britain's commitment to NATO and, of course, our own national defence policy, we have various different elements of air power. Fire Squadron itself provides defensive and offensive counter-air. People often think we just sit and fly combat air patrols over Britain, but in fact we do have an offensive role as well. So the squadron's whole job is to provide offensive or defensive counter-air wherever it's required.